Hi, I'm Tammy Fellers.
And I'm Renee Smith. We're math consultants at Essdack in Hutchinson, Kansas.
Today, we would like to show you our fraction action set involving using unit fractions.
Unit fractions are very important in the Common Core, where the fraction domain begins at 3rd grade and extends into the 5th grade. And the whole premise is that we should be teaching children what unit fractions look like. A unit fraction is just merely one piece of a whole, however many pieces it's partitioned into. So 1/3 is a unit fraction, 1/4 is a unit fraction, and so on. And from there, what it does is it extends. Then if a student knows what 1/4 looks like, then 3 pieces that are 1/4 in size would be 3/4. And so everything is built upon the unit fraction.
And in this deck of cards, you will see that we have multiple representations of a unit fraction. We encourage students to learn to use them on a number line. Students need to be able to count across that number line. You know, a ruler is a number line, is partitioned into parts. Now, yes, at the 3rd grade level, that's partitioned in a few too many parts for us to be using, but getting students to be able to partition a number line is very important. Another skill we need students to be able to do around unit fractions is to be able to count by unit fractions. So if I were to put 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 4 times, a student would be able to go 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. It's important that they can count just like we taught them to count in cardinality in kindergarten.
Which then leads to addition of fractions later on. And so all of the skills for fractions are built upon that unit. Another representation that we have included in the deck is the concept of fractional part of a set. And so we're looking at what the unit fraction is when there is a set of objects to be counted. So that would be another type of card that you would see in this deck.
And another piece to this deck is students understanding the partitioning, that when I'm partitioning into thirds, that's 3 equal pieces. And so that's kind of built into this deck as well, is the understanding of what 1/3 looks like. It's not just randomly cutting into 3 pieces. They have to be 3 pieces equal in size. Renee, do you have anything else to add regarding unit fractions?
I think that's about it.
They're so important to students developing that conceptual understanding that's going to take them through their ratios and proportion years in the middle school, that we hope this can help students develop conceptual understanding of unit fractions. Thank you for joining us today.